This question is very simple, at the same time it is very difficult. We are given x raised to the power of 1 over 3 plus 4x raised to the power of x plus 3, all divided by 4x minus 10. Now the question is, what value of x will make this expression undefined? This is very simple. In mathematics, for an expression to be undefined, the denominator of that expression or that fraction must be equal to 0. That means everything here will give us undefined. And for that to happen, the denominator, only the denominator, must be equivalent to 0. That is the reason if you use your calculator or your devices to press a number divided by 0, it will show you mass error. That means that expression or the question is undefined. So how do we solve this? Very simple. Let's disregard the numerator. So when we are talking about undefined fraction, we disregard the numerator and equate the denominator to 0. So to do that, we have 4x minus 10 will be equal to 0. Then 4x will equal to 10. When you move this constant term over to the right hand side, it becomes positive, and we have dividing the both side by the coefficient of x, which is 4, by 4. 4 and 4 will cancel out. We are going to be left with just x is equal to 10 divided by 4. Then if you divide 10 by 4, 2 into 10 is 5, and 2 into 4 is 2. So the final result is 5 over 2. Now if you substitute 5 over 2 into this expression, into this, we are going to obtain 0. That means this fraction will give you undefined because the denominator has been made 0. That is the simple trick.